Hello, friends. Do you know where I am standing right now? Yes, it's a zoo. Let's meet our zoo buddies. But before that, please watch this entire video because there is a surprise for you at the end. So, keep watching. Let's go. Look, it's the A. Lion, tiger, an elephant, bear, zebra, giraffe, deer, cheetah, gorilla, hippopotamus, hyena, koala, monkey, ostrich, panda, reindeer, rhinoceros, wolf, and porcupine. Okay? Now you guys might be wondering where the surprise is. And that is... Ta-da! Yes, here I have a badge for you. Come on, take it. That's it, friends. Goodbye.